Select the polygon tool. Select no color for the fill. And use a random stroke color. Press Alt plus Shift and create your shape. Press Shift and rotate the shape 90 degrees. Select the Line Segment tool. Connect the anchor points like this. Use the Selection tool to select everything. Select the Shape Builder. Connect the shapes like this to create the cube. Select one side of the cube. Adjust the fill color. Do this for the other sides of the cube too. Select the entire cube and select No Color for the stroke. Press Alt plus Shift and make the cube smaller. Go to Object, Pattern, Make. Tile type, brick by row. Adjust the height until the cubes are connected. Select Done. You can now remove the cube. Select the pattern for the fill. Select the rectangle tool and fill your artboard with the pattern. And that's how you create a cube pattern.